Model, 70-plate Vauxhall Vivaro L1 Sportive 2701.5, 120 PS, Turbo DS, S needs engine REPAUR replacement. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 95,083. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none-runner, engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 0 former keepers, air con, parking sensors, 2 keys, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.